Okay, this is first of what I hope is going to be a series of videos on IELTS speaking. The concept behind these videos is this. Speaking is language, speaking is communication, speaking is also a skill. And what I hope to sort of be demonstrating in these videos is that you need to practice particular skills. And it's possible to make things too complex, to show people too many different things, when speaking is actually quite a natural thing. However, it is worth concentrating on these skills. They're basic skills, they're communication skills, and I'd like to make this point. There's nothing very complex about what I'm going to show you in these videos. In fact, many of these skills are skills you're going to use naturally in your first language, but you simply forget to use in your second language, English. For some reason, when you're speaking a second language, I think you probably concentrate so much on the words, getting the words right, you forget about how you use them. That's actually a mistake, and it's a mistake the examiners will notice. And what you need to do is, when you're practicing, don't just practice speaking, don't just practice conversation, practice how you speak. It will make a difference. Right, I'd like you to look at this clip for two things. There's two things here which Manuel gets completely right, two very good speaking skills. Firstly, he asks for clarification of the question. Now, if you get a question you don't understand, the smart thing to do is to ask the examiner either to repeat it or to clarify it. The worst thing you can do is just start speaking about something you don't understand. You're not going to impress the examiner, you're going to say the wrong things. Now, the second thing he does is again very good. Right at the end of the clip, he makes a small mistake and he corrects it. This is excellent. In fact, it can be better in a strange way to make a mistake and correct it than to get it right in the first place. You're showing the examiner you know the difference between what is right and what is wrong. The other thing I'll say here is only do this if you can correct yourself quickly and accurately. If it's a small mistake, the examiner may not have noticed it. Or if it's a complex mistake, you may make life very hard for yourself. You may spend 10-15 seconds trying to correct something. You're going to feel bad. You're going to feel more nervous. So only correct yourself if you can do it quickly and accurately. So tell me, Manuel, do you have a lot in common with your brothers and sisters?
Sorry, I don't understand the question.
Do you have a lot in common? Do you share things alike with your brothers and sisters?
I got it. Yes, we have a lot of things in common because, I don't know, all of us are men, we are the same gender, and that's why we have a lot of things in common, sorry.